Hi guys, take a look. This is view in our place in Holland Village. See, take a look at that. So greeny, so peaceful, and calm. Every morning when we have a walking with my elderly, you can see that one. I get a lot of videos where I uploaded to Facebook, which is around the corner of our area, and this is one of the views. So wala lang, I'm just sharing to you na napakaganda po ng mga view malapit sa aming area, though I am in December